Hi there! Today, we're going to talk about some high calcium foods that you can incorporate into your diet. Calcium is a mineral that is essential for health, bones, and teeth, as well as for nerve function and muscles movement. Getting enough calcium in your diet can help prevent osteoporosis, a condition in which bones become weak and brittle. So, what are some high calcium foods? Let's start with dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are all excellent sources of calcium. For example, a cup of milk contains around 300 milligrams of calcium, while a serving of cheese can provide around 200 milligrams. Yogurt is also a good choice, with some varieties containing up to 450 milligrams per serving. Non-dairy sources of calcium. For those who are lactose intolerant or vegan, there are plenty of non-dairy sources of calcium as well. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are all high in calcium. 1 cup of cooked collard greens contains around 350 milligrams of calcium. Other plant-based sources of calcium include tofu, fortified plant milks, and nuts and seeds like almonds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds. Seafood. Seafood is also a good source of calcium. Canned salmon contains around 300 milligrams of calcium per serving, and sardines are also a good source of calcium. Eating these types of seafood can be a great way to increase your calcium intake. If you're looking for a quick and easy snack that's high in calcium, try eating a handful of almonds or eating some chia seeds to your smoothie. You could also make a salad with leafy greens and a variety of colorful vegetables, or enjoy a bowl of fortified cereal with plant milk. Other factors to consider. While calcium is important for bone health, it's not the only nutrient that our body needs to maintain strong bones. Vitamin D is also important, as it helps our body absorb calcium. So, it's important to consume enough vitamin D in our diet, or to spend time in the sun to help our body produce it naturally. Additionally, some factors like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact bone health, so it's important to take these into account as well. In conclusion, consuming enough calcium is important for maintaining overall health and preventing osteoporosis. Dairy products, non-dairy sources of calcium, fortified foods, and seafood are all good sources of calcium that can easily be incorporated into our daily meals. If you have any questions about your calcium intake or other ways to maintain bone health, be sure to speak with your healthcare provider. Remember, getting enough calcium in your diet is important for overall health and can help prevent bone loss and osteoporosis. So, make sure to incorporate some of these high calcium foods into your meals and snacks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy eating!